guys, today we're going to be making some homemade snickerdoodle cookies. So you're going to need about a cup of shortening, 1.5 cups of sugar, and then you're going to need 2 eggs, and then you're going to be needing 2 3/4 cups of flour. That is 2 cups, and you're going to be putting in 3 of the 1/4 cups in for your flour. We got our flour here. And then we're going to need two teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'll put all what you'll be needing in the description, so you'll have those all there. Alright, so let's begin. So I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning, you're going to set your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so we are going to be mixing our 1 cup of shortening to our bowl, and you're also going to be adding the 1.5 cups of sugar and the 2 eggs, and you're going to put them in this bowl and you're going to mix them thoroughly. So we have our 1 cup of shortening in here. Now we're going to be sticking the 1.5 cups of sugar into our bowl, and we are also going to be putting in our eggs. So now you're just going to mix this thoroughly together. Now that you have it all mixed all through, it should look something like this. Alright, so the next step is we're now going to we're going to set this aside. We're now going to sift our 2 3/4 cups of flour. And you're just going to try to get this through here like this. You don't have one of these sifty things. You could get a whisk and mix it around to make it light and airy. Alright, now we sifted that. The next step is to we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. This is our 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And then the next step is to add our soda, which is a 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. And then our 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we are going to just give this a little rough stir to combine this. We're going to take our wet ingredients and we're going to be mixing it to the dry ingredients. So you're just going to dump that in there and just give it a mix, and I'll show you what that looks like. Cookies will look something like this. Now we are going to be making our sugar cinnamon. So for that, you're going to be needing like a little bowl or something. And you're going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar. So that's 1, 2, and then we're going to be taking a teaspoon of our cinnamon. No, 2 teaspoons, I'm sorry. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And that's 1, 2, and then you're just going to mix this together. Getting your cookie sheets ready, and your sugar and cinnamon, and then your cookie dough, which is off to the side here. And you're going to be making about 1-inch balls. So I have this cookie scoop. I don't know if it's 1 inch. I believe it is. So you're just going to scoop up or roughly make a 1-inch ball. So you'll have something that looks like this. And then you're going to roll it around. Oops. And then you're just going to roll it around in your sugar like this. And then you're just going to place it on your cookie sheet, and you're going to repeat these steps with the dough, and then I'll take you to the next step. After you get your cookies out on the cookie sheet, then you are going to place them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. These ones were roughly about 9. And then after that, you're going to take them out and you're going to place them on your cooling rack to cool. And then after they're cooled, you can eat them and enjoy them. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.